So this YouTube clip will discuss Dotcom secrets, expert secrets by Russell Brunson. And I'm super thrilled because I'll be using an amazing video platform that will contribute to making video creation extremely simple. So I have created a video using this platform and I will play the video in just a moment. But first, a brief intro about me. My name is Anders Larsson and I'm an online marketer from Sweden. I started my journey as a YouTube influencer in 2019 and I help people get started with their online business. I use an amazing system that has the digital training necessary to have their online business up and running. If you're curious about how I make money on YouTube, I will explain additional details at the end of the video. Without further ado, Emma will take over from now on.
Thank you, Anders. The author of Dotcom Secrets is Russell Brunson, the man behind ClickFunnels. This book is among the best affiliate marketing books I've ever read, despite the fact that it isn't classified as an affiliate marketing book. Everything you need to know about building an affiliate marketing funnel, asking individuals for their email addresses, and using email marketing to persuade customers to purchase affiliate products is covered in this book. I've read this book 4 times, and each time I do, I discover something new or make a connection between 2 ideas I hadn't considered before. Another hit from ClickFunnels creator Russell Brunson is Expert Secrets. Although affiliate marketing is not directly covered in this book, it is one of the most crucial components of becoming a successful online marketer: how to interact with potential clients in a way that motivates them to make a purchase. You can learn how to establish yourself as an authority in your field by reading Expert Secrets. People are more likely to purchase from you if they perceive you to be an expert in your field. It takes both art and science to learn how to communicate to people in a way that makes them want to buy anything, and Expert Secrets shows you exactly how to accomplish it. Alright. Over to you, Anders.
Thanks for sharing this, Emma. Alright, so the most difficult thing about running this YouTube channel is coping with the work that is required to produce videos. We all struggle with getting visitors to our YouTube channels. The algorithm for YouTube has its own mind. Sometimes when we think that the video is going to receive views, we receive none. The only way is to just create a lot of videos with different ideas for titles and hope that one of them will stick. I don't like it, but it's just how this animal is. But I'm 100% sure it's the same with any other digital marketing niche out there. What we are facing, what we are feeling is the competition. The people that stay in this game are the people that don't give up. Also, the people who finally succeed are the ones who make something of value that helps someone else. We should try to get people to start their own journeys instead of trying to get them to buy whatever we find online. I mean, if you're sending people to crap, then you don't understand the power of value. It has very much to do with building your brand or building your self-worth. So what are you willing to go through so that you can come out the other side and be an inspiration to another person? Are you willing to help another person and be a guide for another? If you are, you know how important value is, the thing that will bring success to your business. This is the message we need to share and what we must be about. Okay, if you understand this, then you will have no problem doing what I do and recommending your solution to people. If you want to check out my solution, then I will leave a link in the description. That link will take you to my landing page. There you will see my free video training that I did a long time ago. If you want to skip that, then click the red button. That will take you to one of the landing pages of the system I use. Here you can start right away and you will get both personal coaching and training to get your online business off the ground. You will also understand how this high-ticket system will transform you into becoming a 5, 6 or 7-digit earner. It is your decision if you want to invest in yourself. If you do, let me know if you need any help. Anyway, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Click the like button if you learned something useful. This will help my YouTube channel grow. If you want more videos like this, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Stay awesome, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.